Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to start building the React side of our to-do list application using ReactJS, style components and Redux. So in this tutorial we'll be doing two components in the React app. You'll be having the navbar and the landing page components. So let's jump to it. To start with, we just need to create a new React app in the previous source code we had. So in case you don't have these backend code, these are API code, you can get it from the description down below. So we're going to run npx create I'm going to call it client. Now while this is being installed, remember we are going to be using style components. Now style components it's a module that permits you to write your styles in the form of modules. So it permits us to create styles in the form of components which can receive properties. So I think for me I think style components is the best for me right now. I haven't had experience with other modules for creating styles yet, because with style components you'll be able to apply styles conditionally. Like you'll be able to check the props. You can receive props from the component itself and apply styles based on those props you receive from the component. So that's one feature I like about style components, really. So while this is being created, we need to clean up our folder, the client. There are some unwanted files here. We won't be needing these files, so we are going to delete them all. So but let's delete them. Good, here too. Good. Now that this is done, let's cd into the client folder, because currently we are in our root folder, which is the to do. Let's go into the client folder. Then now that we are in the client folder, let's first of all finish clearing up the app. Here. So we are good. Let's run it now and see. So it's running. This is our app being displayed. Good. Let's now create our components. Let's create a folder here called nav. We're starting with the navbar component. Inside we have a navbar.jsx and also the stubs.js. Good. In our navbar, let's first of all get the styles. And the styles we are using, since we are using styled components, we have to install that. Now, while that is getting installed, let's add the styles for this component. I'm just going to copy the styles and paste, and I'll give you a chance to copy them as well. So these are the styles. We have our styled component. We imported it as styled, and this style component has the nav. In fact, it has all the HTML tags in it. Like an object, it comes with it's an object that contains all the tags, the HTML tags. We have nav, we have div, we have button, so all of the tags, we can just be using them like that. So that is it. And by the time we are done with this, if we inspect it, you're going to see this nav tag in your browser. So this start variable with the tag, it applies the nav tag to your application. So I'm expecting to have a logo, buttons, which are the sign in buttons, this is it, and their styles. So that's pretty much how it is. So let's go and create our component. So we first of all import now. Good. So now we have this. I'm going to have a return. Now this return is going to take our import as style. So we will have our nav. Okay, so in this nav we're going to create a container, a Bootstrap container fluid. We want it to occupy the entire width of the screen, and inside we have another div with a row, class name of a row, and inside this row we have two div. We have div with column md5 and another div with column md7. Good. Here we have our logo. And that logo has an A tag. That lets us suggest this to the home page. And the title of the logo is going to be paste. So next is this. Here we have I'm going to call it off buttons, and we have buttons, class name of button, the first button with class name of sign up, another button with class name of sign in, so I think we are good here. Let's now add this to our app components. Let's add the component there with app. So let's see, let's run our server. Good, it is having some problems. Let's check. Well, you have some error here. So we've created the landing page for our application. So this is the landing page. It looks like almost exactly like this one here. So this is it. That's how we're going to be building our application. We create our Figma designs before designing the application itself. That way we won't waste time in making design decisions. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done that already. And in our next video, we'll be wiring up our Redux and the authentication components. So see you in the next video.